was just up there on the other side where those rocks are. Came across a little cut. Staying along the base of this thing, I guess, for now. Way across over there is a... I see petroglyphs over there too. You know that? What? By that house over there, there's petroglyphs. I see them from my 12-inch magnification.
We'll go by there, but...
They sure look like it anyway. Come on, John. Sorry about the movement, y'all. There's just some persistent flies or horse flies, whatever they are. Sorry, trying to give you a look of what's around us here. That's at 12 magnification, so I bring it out. And that's what it really looks like with the eye right now. Happy hiking, y'all.